Hi, I'm Alan Grubb with For You Home Inspections. The video you're about to see is part of a community service series developed to help you, the home buyer, understand your inspection report, and in some cases, how you can fix those concerns yourself. If you're selling your home, these items being repaired before the home inspection could make your home sale faster and more productive. At the end of the video, there will be an email address where you can contact us for comments and for future video suggestions. Thank you and have a safe day. Today I'm going to share with you a safety tip for your home and a frequent issue that is often pointed out on a home inspection report. As you can see, this is your normal outside bib where you would attach a garden hose. What's missing from this is referred to as an Anti Siphon Device or a vacuum breaker. What do these devices do? This is simply a vacuum breaker that I bought for a few dollars at the local hardware store. Okay, you're going to detach your hose. This device has a small screw which you tighten so that it will not be able to blow off. You screw it on there just like you would your hose. Tighten this down securely. You can even use a pair of pliers if you'd like. And then you reinstall your hose. A very quick and easy way to protect your family.